Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Start by organizing your source data before updating any chart. Place headers in the first row and keep columns contiguous without blank rows. Make sure numeric cells contain only numbers and no stray text or symbols. If your range will expand, convert it into a table by selecting the range and pressing Ctrl+T. Tables automatically extend chart ranges when you add rows. Save a copy before major edits to preserve the original workbook state. To create a new chart, first select the data range including headers. Then go to the Insert tab and choose a chart type, such as column, line, or pie. If updating an existing chart, click the chart once to activate chart tools. Right-click the chart area and choose Select Data to adjust series and categories. Use the Switch Row/Column option if legends or axes are reversed. Confirm the preview shows the intended data before closing the dialog. Now update series and labels using Select Data to add or remove series. Edit category labels there to reflect new ranges or renamed headers. Use the Chart Design and Format tabs to apply styles, presets, and color palettes quickly. Right-click a data series and choose Format Data Series to change axis assignments and gap width. For trend analysis, add a trend line from the Chart Elements menu. Finally, resize and place the chart on the sheet for clear presentation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.